Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. Fix this clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, fix it inside the clips one by one as shown in the video. Tie them properly as we are fixing and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fold it upward and fix it using a clip. Now fix the hairs inside the clips one by one in the alternative sections of the hairs. Now put them and then tie it on the top and roll it down and fix it using the bun clip and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and fix this clutch. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clutch on the hairs, tie it from the between and then fold it upward and fix it like this. Put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this and then tie a ponytail. Now fix it by rotating the hairs like this from the downside. Now tie the hairs properly from the between and then fold it and fix it using the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying a ponytail. Now roll the hairs together by dividing them into two parts. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now tie it using a hair clutch and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this and then fold the hairs upward and fix this bun pin. Now roll the down hairs and tie it from the between, fix the hairs inside the bun and put the hair clutch over it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie a ponytail, roll the hairs upward and fix it using this bun pin. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down like this and put the bun pin like this. Fix it and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail using a rubber band. Divide it from the between and roll it upward. Now fix it using the hair clutches like this. Put it over the bun and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward using this bun making tool. Spread it from the sides. Spread the hairs and put this bun clutch over it. Put the clutcher and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now divide it from the between, fold it upward and put the hair back pin on it like this. Now pull the hairs two parts and then make the plaits on it tight and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun pin. Now roll down the hairs, tie it from the between and fix the hairs inside it like this. Put the bun pin on the downside to fix the bun and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fold it upward and fix it using a hair clip. Now fix the hairs inside the hair clip like this by dividing the hairs into three parts. After that, we will tie all the hairs together on the top and then roll it down and fix it like this. Put the bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into three parts and put it inside the clip one by one. Roll it like this and fix it from the top. Tie the hairs and then fold it and fix it using this bun clips and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it like this and then fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Put it from the sides and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.